Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. Guess what? Mars have again came up with their new launch. I think they launch every new product every 2 weeks and it is really too overwhelming for me sometimes. But never mind, because I'm a content creator, love to try out new makeup. So today I'm going to share my part of review on the newly launched Mars Click Stick Gloss Lip Balm. I have picked up 3 shades for my brown skin. So let's get started with today's video. Alright, so these lip balm comes in total of 8 shades and it is available on Meesho, Flipkart as well as on Amazon. I couldn't find it on Nykaa or any other e-commerce app apart from the 3 that I have mentioned, not even on their official website. As I've already said that it comes in 8 different shades catering to each and every Indian skin tone, that retails for rupees 349, wherein you get 2 grams of product with 3 years of shelf life, and that is how the outer packaging looks like. On the top you'll find the shade name and the number, and yeah, there is the logo. You will find the name of the product, and when you turn to the sideways there is some direction and also the ingredient list and rest of the details. And here on the sideways you will see that it is mentioned that it has high shine, highly pigmented, enriched with cocoa butter. So that's about the outer packaging. Let's have a look at the inner one. So that's how the inner packaging looks like, and the inner component comes in color coordination to the actual shade that you get. It comes in this kind of clickable sort of packaging, which is nothing new because every brand has come up with a similar packaging, you guys. So you get a button at the bottom, you'll have to click it for certain time and the product comes out. But do you know the actual drill? You cannot click it more than 2 to 3 times, because once it comes out you cannot put it back inside or you cannot push it back. So that one thing you'll have to keep in mind, and that's how the shade actually looks like. So the 3 shade that I picked up for my brown skin is the shade 03 Berry Jam, 04 Cherry Glaze and 08 Tango Twist. Just look at this vibrant orange packaging. So you'll see everything in the swatches. Now let's get into my final thoughts, because I was trying these lip balm for past couple of days before sharing my part of review. So definitely it is not a first impression at all. Alright, here you go. First things first, these lip balm does contain some fragrance to it. It has a coffee-like scent which is little too overpowering because I cannot stand the smell of a coffee, and it gives me a very bad headache, and I hope this doesn't do that with me. But I can still say that it has a mild fragrance which I can overlook. But if you are someone who love this fragrance, I think you love these lip balm on its own. I have been wearing one of the lip shade for past half an hour or more, and I can still sniff the fragrance lingering on my nose. But overlooking all of those, I can say that the formulation is very beautifully made, though it has a little bit of thicker texture, but it glides like butter. And because it is packed with pigment, in one swipe you get an opaque pigmentation which helped a lot to cover my dark pigmented lips just in one go. And can you see that glossy effect? It feels like as if I have applied a separate lip gloss, because it has that high shine glass effect, you guys, and it makes my lips look fuller and plumper without giving any kind of tingling effect. Also, I can say that it is very much hydrating and moisturizing on the lips, and I can totally wear these lip balm on its own whenever I am going out to run my errands. Now if you want to use it as your sheer lip shade or lip tint, you can totally do so. You can take some amount onto the center of your lips, just spread it out ever so slightly and you are done. You can pull off these shades with or without any lip liner, but I can say that all the 3 shades that I've picked up for my brown skin works well on my bare skin, also with makeup on, which you will see it very soon in the swatches. Now just because we are entering the summer, I do not like to layer my lip products a lot because on me it bleeds, but this I have seen it does not bleed in any way, though I had applied a lip balm to avoid bleeding. But I can say that this lip balm doesn't bleed just because it has a little bit of thicker texture or consistency. If it would have been a little bit of runny consistency, I would say that it would have bleeded very badly. Also, these lip balm feels absolutely non-sticky, non-tacky. When I'm talking with you guys, my lips are not sticking to each other, but I can say that it is not very lightweight in formulation, because I can sense something is there on my lips which I can overlook totally. It is not a major of a problem, but I have not faced any discomfort or my lips getting drier or chappy at the end of the day, because I have been trying out these lip balm for past couple of days and it has nicely hydrated my lips throughout I was wearing them. Just because the formulation is so emollient, I feel it is going to melt, and this part gets very messy once you apply it, but it's also that you can clean it very easily. So that one point I had to mention it over here. They are not transfer proof by any means. Can you see it? But most of the shade or color is still there on the lips. But if you're having your meals, definitely it is going to make a huge difference. It is going to come off completely. And yes, that is expected from the lip balms, because they are not going to provide you with any kind of stain or any kind of tint. It comes off very easily with any wet wipes, micellar water or makeup remover. It does not take much of your efforts and it is really very comfortable. After you take it off, your lips doesn't feel dry, stretchy, chappy. There is no flakiness or anything you will come across. And now the $1,000,000 question is the Mars Click Stick Gloss Lip Balm is a dupe to NYX Fat Oil Sleek Click? Just because I do not own the NYX one and Nykaa haven't bought it to India, so I cannot compare these two side by side. I wish Nykaa had bought it so I could have compared both the formulations side by side and then decide whether they are dupe or not. But looking at the ingredient list, you guys, both have different ingredient on its own, so I cannot comment anything on that. But if you want to take it as a dupe, it is all up to you. So I would highly recommend these lip balms to you guys. It gets a total thumbs up from my end. And yes, Mars have again outdone with their new launch. Now let's move on to the swatches. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, I think you might like these two videos of mine. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I've mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.